Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use data folders. Data folders are fundamental for organizing and storing your digital information efficiently. Think of them as digital filing cabinets, allowing you to categorize everything from documents to images and videos. Understanding their basic structure and purpose is the first step towards mastering your digital workspace, ensuring you can always find what you need, when you need it, with minimal effort. Creating a new data folder is straightforward, typically done with a right-click in your File Explorer. The real power comes from structuring these folders logically. For instance, you might have a main folder for projects, with subfolders for Client A, Client B, and so on. Consistent naming, like YIMMDD project name, helps immensely. This systematic approach prevents clutter and makes navigating your files much more intuitive, saving you valuable time. Once your folders are set up, the next step is populating them with your data. Always place related files together. For example, all reports for a specific project go into that project's folder. When you need to find something, leverage your operating system's search bar, which can often pinpoint a file within seconds across thousands of items. Crucially, remember to back up your data regularly, perhaps weekly or even daily, to safeguard against loss. To maintain an efficient system, make it a habit to review and clean your data folders periodically, perhaps once every 3 months, deleting old or redundant files. Consider integrating cloud storage solutions, like Google Drive or Dropbox, for easy access across multiple devices and seamless collaboration. Finally, always be mindful of data privacy and security, especially when handling sensitive information, ensuring your folders are protected with appropriate permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.